Hey my YouTube family, today's welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. My name is Suchita and I'm making all the videos for my teacher community. If you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing and press the bell icon. और आप channel पे पहले से जुड़े हैं and supporting me, thank you so much for that. So let's start today's video. Today is the second video of a Teaching Funda Friday with Suchita. So pause the video, go grab your coffee and tea. We are going to talk much. We are going to share the experiences, and this video, when I will premiere, I'm going to watch the video with you guys. So whatever option, whatever questions you will put there, I'm going to straight answer here only. So that doesn't mean if I'm recording the video, I'm not there with you. When now you're going to watch the video, I'm going to answer all your questions now right away along with the premiere. So quickly pause, go grab a coffee, tea and sit here and let's talk and let's chit chat and let's evolve together. So in this video, I'm going to share what all I learned from 10 years of my teaching experience and what mistakes I have done and I want you not to do. See, the first thing is, in the teaching career, you have your bad days and good days, but do not let your bad days define you as a teacher. क्या होता है ना कि लाइक एज अ टीचर समटाइम द पेरेंट्स कंप्लेन, स्टूडेंट से कंप्लेन आती हैं एंड देन मैनी थिंग्स हैपन, लाइक यू नो योर डे विल नॉट गो वेल. कुछ दिन बहुत अच्छे जाते हैं, कुछ दिन यू रियली फेस ट्रबल एंड व्हेन यू रीच होम यू आर फीलिंग टायर्ड एंड डिसअपॉइंटेड. बट I'll tell you one thing, we are doing the public dealing, we are dealing with the new minds, the young generation every day. Definitely we are going to face the problem, but do not lose your temper, do not go and fight with your colleague, maintain good relationships. So do not do not let the bad days define your personality. तो आपको क्या करना है, जब अच्छा दिन है do not get over excited, but अगर बुरा दिन है do not lose your temper and stay calm and do not react that day, do not take any decision that day. Okay, second जो मेरी learning है from my teaching career is your contacts will work for you. सी मेरे लिए हमेशा क्या हुआ है ना कि माई कलीग्स वो वर्किंग विद मी और द मैनेजमेंट, माई प्रिंसिपल, दे रियली वर्क फॉर मी. अगर आप एक अच्छे रिलेशन बना के चलते हो, यू हैव गुड कॉन्टेक्ट्स विद योर कलीग, योर मैनेजमेंट एंड योर हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट, दोज थिंग्स रियली वर्क वेल फॉर यू बिकॉज यू हैव टू स्टे इन द टीचिंग करियर. और जब आके आप जाके मिलते हो ना, मे बी दैट कलीग विल गो समवेयर टू अ बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड देयर ही विल फील दे हैव अ वैकेंसी विच इज सूटेबल फॉर यू. सो दे विल डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड दैट वैकेंसी and they will recommend you as a teacher over there. So in this teaching career, we really need to focus to make connection with the parents, with the students, with the colleagues and the higher management, because believe me, your career graph will only grow up when you will maintain your contacts and when you will work on your relationship at the workplace. Now my third learning is, do not open school message or mail once you leave the school. Yes, this is the thing which is really important. See, as a teacher, we are working 24/7. When you leave the school, even though that time you are thinking about the school, and that's normal. But you know, I'll tell you, after few years, maybe it is fine when you are young, you are unmarried, the initial year of your career. But once you know you have to continue with this career option, and if you will carry that burden, whatever happen at your workplace, और आप उसको लेके घर आ रहे हो and you are overthinking about it again and again, or maybe like you know that thing you will see, maybe that mistake you have done and your higher management didn't send any mail and you keep on checking what parents are saying about you, or they are complaining something or they are advising something. No, you decide 1 hour if required at your home कि इतना ही टाइम मुझे जो है देना है. After that you leave the job there only itself in the school and when you will go back tomorrow morning. So आपने क्या करना है, when you are in the school, stop thinking about your house, like you know anything happen at your home. And when you are at home, you have to stop thinking about the workplace. I am sure as a teacher, it's easy to say this, but it's really difficult to implement. But believe me, once you learn this strategy, it will work boon as to balance your teacher and your home life. It's really make wonders. So do try this strategy. I am able to do it after the practice of many years, and I think you'll able to do that. Fourth learning is, set your boundary and time limit for the parents. I'll tell you क्या होता है. For example, you are a new teacher. Even though parents will text you at 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., you will feel like to reply. But what happened? Maybe today you are able to reply, और कल क्या होगा? You are busy and then you are not able to reply at that particular time. So that will make you as an impression of a rude teacher, because आज आपने वो reply किया है. So you are setting certain expectation in the mind of the parent, right? So पहले दिन से ही make clear things. They must know the boundary, the limit. After 4 p.m. this science teacher, Miss Suchita, is not going to entertain. She is not going to reply. But I'm sure once she'll come back to the school in the morning, she will definitely reply back. So if you will set your boundary from the very first day of the school, you set the boundary for the management, also set the boundaries for your colleague and the parents plus the students. So everybody knows after 4 p.m. Suchita will not reply because she has a home life, and everybody will value that. Even though you are not replying, but you are sending an impression that you are equally giving importance to your home, to your family. So that will send a feeling of responsibility that जब सुचिता स्कूल में है तो she is only there at the school and devoting everything, her time and everything for the school, and when she is at home after 4 or 5 p.m. she is not going to entertain any school work. So that will bring respect for you from everyone, like from the management or the parents or anybody, plus also will give a relief to you that you are not carrying that burden. You didn't reply to that parent, to the management at that particular time. Fifth learning is don't expect perfection. See, we as a teacher, we are dealing with the student every day. हम लोगों के क्लासरूम में आज अच्छे स्टूडेंट है, कुछ नॉटी हैं, कुछ मिसबिहेविंग है, तो ये दिस रूटीन कीप ऑन चेंजिंग. सो डो नॉट एक्सपेक्ट दैट टुडे वाज अ परफेक्ट डे, देन एवरी डे विल बी अ परफेक्ट डे. या आपने ये काम अच्छे से कर लिया, सो एवरी वर्क यू आर नॉट अ मल्टी टास्कर, यू आर नॉट अ ऑल राउंडर, यू आर अ ह्यूमन एज लाइक every other person. So what you need to do, you need to do the work and do not expect perfection. Try your best and leave the rest. Do not believe that इसमें अगर perfect नहीं किया तो आगे कुछ नहीं होगा. So do not keep such unrealistic hope from your work. Sixth one is organization is the key. बिलीव मी, एज अ टीचर आई लर्न, आई हैव स्पेंड मैनी ईयर्स जिनमें जो है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इतना बुरा था एंड आई रियली सफर्ड. उसमें क्या होता है ना, आपका बहुत सारा टाइम जाता है, एंड आई रियली हैव सच ईयर्स नाउ व्हेन आई एम रियली गुड विद द मैनेजमेंट एंड इट रियली सेव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. सो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज अ की एंड इट वर्क वंडर्स फॉर द टीचर. इफ यू ऑर्गेनाइज योर थिंग्स वेल, you set time for everything and you mark the things on time, you keep them under the folders, you segregate things and keep at the place, so it will really work as a time saver for you. But because हम लोगों को इतने सारे पेपर्स होते हैं, एग्जाम पेपर्स है, टेस्ट पेपर है, so keep set things, boundaries and time for everything and put them in the place. You have folders to segregate them. It really ease the work. मुझे पता है अदरवाइज क्या होता है, कैन नॉट ऑर्गेनाइज. कई बार क्या होता है, पूरा दिन यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर वन पर्टिकुलर पेपर विच वॉज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. मे बी किसी बच्चे का एग्जाम पेपर था और समथिंग सेंड बाय द मैनेजमेंट, और कोई टैम्पलेट था विच यू प्रिपेयर्ड बाय स्पेंडिंग मैनी आवर्स. क्या होता है ना कि इनिशियल ईयर्स ऑफ आवर टीचिंग वी प्रिपेयर मैनी टेम्पलेट. स्टूडेंट बिहेवियर चार्ट हो गया, पेरेंट्स से कम्युनिकेशन का फॉर्मेट हो गया, या फिर किसी बच्चे को वार्निंग देने का फॉर्मेट होगा, वो आप रेडी करते हो. इफ़ यू विल कीप देम ऑर्गेनाइज इन अ प्लेस, तो वो आप ओवर द ईयर्स जो है यूज़ कर लेते हो, राइट. अदरवाइज every year you are wasting your time in preparing those things only, those templates only. So organization is the best key for a teacher. Next thing is make a special bond with your students. I'll tell you one thing like which really worked for me, even though like you are missing here and there, you are not perfect here and there, but if you're really able to make a bond with your students, that work really well. अगर आपका थोड़ा communication में भी problem है and you able to make a connection with the students, तो it will really work. वो लोग they will try, they will give their best shot to understand you as a teacher. Plus काफ़ी सारी problems हो जाती, behavioral issue, classroom management हो गया, and many other expectations. कई बार क्या होता है, स्टूडेंट itself they volunteer to help you in some, for example classroom board decorate करना है या कोई event आ रहा है, so in that concern student really volunteer to help you as a teacher. So make a connection, make a bond that will really help you in your career. Last but not the least, जो मैं आज तक I'm struggling to do that, but I'll suggest you do that. कई बार क्या होता है ना, you had a very bad day at school and you'll come home, you want to eat good to make yourself happy. Because I had a bad day, that doesn't mean the pizza will cover up that bad mood. No, don't allow you to do that. For example, we as a teacher, we have really hectic schedule, so do not miss your eating schedule. Eat healthy. See, I made this mistake that as a teacher, I was too much into my career, too much into my family, and sometimes I really ignored my eating habits. Morning में जो भी मिला उठा लिया and then just go and eat, or maybe if you are not able to pack, just pack for the family and for yourself. तो आप canteen से भी ले लोगे. So that really don't do that, because eating really important in teaching. अगर आप healthy रहते हो, so you are able to maintain a teaching career of 365 days continuously, that you will get appreciation और बहुत सारी चीज़ें sort out हो जाती. You will not end up gaining some extra weight, plus you will also feel stable. That a good mind will always bring the good ideas only when you are eating healthy, so do not ignore that. So these all were the mistakes which I did, and then I learned and then I evolved, especially when you're looking forward to make a good teaching career. ऐसा नहीं है कि you're just doing the job for God's sake, no, or money sake. You are teaching, you are doing this job to enjoy and to make it a wonderful career, and you are giving the future generation the hope that teaching will be a career by choice, not by compulsion, or just because you don't have any other career option. So try to learn from these, what all mistakes I have done and I have learned, I have evolved. I hope they really help you in your career. That's all for today's. Keep learning, keep growing, keep supporting me. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the videos with your friends and colleagues who really can learn something from this. That's all for today's video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.